Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
I'm gonna give you a kiss.
I know. No, you too. Give me a kiss. I got a treat.
Years and years without having one, and then all of a sudden just going about a regular day. And,
it really throws a monkey wrench into your life,
And I always treat my animals like you talk to them, like they're somebody. She is somebody. Yeah, but I think she was just worried. Because I didn't have any ores and stuff, and I was on medication. I told her. So I think she was just, that was something new for her, too. What are you doing carrying your own rope? You silly goose.